I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what you need and reducing friction. Create a single folder or zip the items so the recipient downloads once. Make sure you know the total size and compare it to your chosen service limit. If it exceeds the cap, split, or upgrade. Next, sign into the cloud or transfer service and enable two-factor authentication for security. Once done, choose the upload destination folder and confirm you have sufficient storage and a stable connection before you begin uploading. You now upload the folder and watch progress. If possible, use a wired connection or resume-capable client to avoid interruptions. As the upload completes, configure link settings. Choose View Only versus Edit, set an expiration date if needed, and add a password for extra protection. Make sure to limit download counts if the service supports it. Once configured, generate the shareable link and immediately test it in an incognito window to confirm permissions, preview behavior, and that all files are accessible as intended. You finish by delivering the link through the agreed channel and include any password or short instructions so recipients don't struggle. Make sure to mention expiration and file size details. Monitor access logs or analytics to confirm downloads and follow up if someone reports problems. If a download fails, first try re-uploading the file or splitting it into smaller parts. Alternatively, grant explicit access to the recipient's email. If the link still fails, clear cache, retry in a private window, or regenerate the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.